guys, today we're gonna be playing Cookeez Makery Crazy Friend. I just got this yesterday. Look at all the sides. And today we're making a plushie. Okay, let's just first open this. Whoa, guys, look at the inside. Is it cool? Then I'm just gonna, first we have a spoon. A cake decoration, and a frizzy friend mold, and a measuring jug of water. We're gonna be making it. So we have this one, and then we're gonna put it into like the frizzy friend mold, and then just wait. I'm just turning it around. I'm just gonna change the clock to -10. Close the one. I'm just gonna wait for this timer to end. Okay, I think it's ready. Let's see. Oh my god! Oh my goodness! Can you just actually see that? I thought you were shivering.
So what do you need to do so it won't shiver?
Just hug it tightly. Okay. Okay, look. This is what I got. The unicorn strawberry. The unicorn strawberry. Unicorn. So it makes happy laughing sounds. Do you like it? It has like shining ears inside. Inside of its ears. And look at the frosting. It's just beautiful. Okay, and then I'm just gonna put this here and put these two over here. That's over. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.